NASA ARCSIX is a mission trying to understand the melt of the Arctic sea ice, and specifically how clouds play into that. As the sea ice goes away, more clouds form in the Arctic. Those clouds act as a blanket over the Arctic, causing it to warm further and possibly melt more sea ice. We're trying to figure out more about that feedback. Our part of the mission was to put a bunch of sensors out on the sea ice themselves. We did this by installing them on what we call our ice mass balance buoy. It's a buoy that's deployed by drilling a hole in the sea ice and putting this set of instrumentation down through the sea ice, and it broadcasts data back by satellite modem. And we can add all kinds of different sensors to that. In this case, we had added radiation sensors so we could see how much sunlight was reaching the surface through the clouds and how much long-wave radiation was coming back from the clouds.